Everybody, welcome to COVID-19 Chemistry 152, Episode 3, or Experiment 3 for that matter. So this is separation of a ternary mixture. So I'm going to go through the experimental part and record some of the data. This is going to be a couple of videos because this experiment takes a while. So the first thing we need to do in this experiment is weigh an evaporating dish. So I'm going to put this on the balance. Balance said 0 before. So the evaporating dish weighs 44.3956 grams. Whoops, it's changing its mind. 41. All right. Now I'm going to take the mixture. And this is a way to ensure that we don't worry about any that we lose on transfer. Put the mixture in here. So this is the evaporating dish plus the unknown. That was 44.3941, by the way, not 49. I don't know what I said, but now this is 47.6916 grams. Make up your mind. We're going to go 19 grams. All right. Now this mixture contains ammonium chloride, salt, and sand. And if you remember from the lecture and from the background material, ammonium chloride we can remove by subliming. So we're going to come with me, over to the fume hood, because ammonium chloride is not something you want to be breathing. I'm going to put this on a hot plate, and we're going to kick this on, get it really cooking. We're going to cook it, it's going to give off white fumes, and we're going to cook it until the white fumes are gone. But while we're letting it start, we can gather some of the other data. So for other parts of the experiment, if you look at your data sheet, we're going to need the mass of a watch glass, a beaker, and a piece of filter paper. And just going in order, we'll do the filter paper first. I folded it to make it easier for it to sit on a balance. You'll use this in the second part. So the filter paper is make up your mind, 9111 grams. All right, the beaker balance is not the most stable balance in the universe, is it? This is chemistry, folks. Sometimes things take a minute. One more try. It needs to say 0 with nothing on it. All right, close enough. So the beaker, which will be for a later part, is 50.99. We're going to call it 55 grams. Keeps changing a little bit. That last decimal place is part of your significant figures anyway. And then the last thing we're going to need is a watch glass. Let's say 0. So the watch glass is 28.742 4. Okay, make sure you record the units on this experiment because we didn't put them in there for you. All right, so that thing's not cooking yet, so I guess later on we can show you what the white fumes look like, and we'll add that into another video. Stay tuned for the next part.